welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to walk you through a quick review of Askify. Askify.pro is an AI assistant browser extension. Now what it does is it has some important, it's a powerful tool that aims to streamline your web searches for you. We start with the basic core, that is the core features. The first one we have is instant AI answers. It provides intelligent answers to any question while the user is browsing the web. Number 2 is browser-based. The AI operates as a browser extension, integrating directly into the user's research flow. Then we talk about highlight and ask. Users can highlight text on any web page and ask the AI questions about their content. Then we have the privacy-focused feature. Developer claims to use end-to-end encryption and do not store personal browsing data, which is a key selling point in 2025 as data privacy becomes a major concern. Lastly, cross-browser support. It is designed to work across major browsers including Chrome, Firefox, Safari, and Edge. Now let's look at the review and reception since early 2025. User testimony on Askify.pro site praise the tool for its speed, accuracy, and its utility as a personal AI assistant for research tasks. It's also being positioned as a tool that revolutionizes how teams find information online. Then, no independent, in-depth third-party reviews from other tech publications are prominently available in the search results to corroborate these claims of late 2025. And it appears to be a newer product or a rebranded rival from the older note-taking tool. Now let's look at the pricing in the next video.